The plasma pen basically, works with this fibroblast stimulation. So it uses plasma energy to create an intense but brief heat that for the skin creates tightening and basically smoothing, as well as stimulation of the fibroblasts that are in the deeper layers of the skin. And that's what basically stimulates the collagen that then helps to remodel the skin, so that just in a lot of aesthetics procedures, we're basically producing more collagen, more elastin, and that is resulting in smoother skin, less lines, and improving dry eyes. What I tell my patients when they come in for dry eyes is that their tear film and their ocular surface is out of balance. So essentially using the plasma pen is such a key component when patients have that redundant conjunctiva that's taking the space in the inferior fornix where the tears should be, basically, is that you really have to kind of tackle that early on, to be able to restore the tear film, have a place for the tears to sit, and then work to get the tears to not have inflammation, treat allergies, and have those components as well.